Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm going to review local Indian skincare brands. So last month I have tried two of the best sellers from a local brand called as Blended Apothecary. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first product I have used is their rosehip seed oil. Rosehip oil is a superhero product. It offers myriads of benefits. It helps with the pigmentation, it helps in lightening the scars, it helps in boosting collagen, and it improves the elasticity of your skin, helps in boosting moisture levels, it helps with the damaged skin barrier. No wonder this oil is loved by even royalty, Kate Middleton, and many A-listers. So for the people who are new to my page, I have to tell you I have sensitive combination acne prone skin. Even I'm scared of using oils until I found this one. So this oil, it actually comes in a dark amber bottle. Let me show it to you guys. Yes, it comes in a dark amber bottle to protect it from the UV rays, because UV rays will diminish the potency of the product if exposed. So the best way to use any oil, not only this oil, is using the oil as a last step in your routine, because oils have larger molecules, and if you apply oil first and if you apply the moisturizer later, the moisturizer will not get into your skin, because moisturizers or serums, they'll have smaller molecules compared to the oil. So it is always best to apply oils as the last step, or you can even put a drop of the oil in your moisturizer and you can apply it directly. I've been using this serum from more than a month and I'm quite impressed by the quality. To be frank, I didn't expect the quality to be so good. Previously, like 3 years ago, I bought the same oil from a brand called as Life Flow, and I have experienced horrible breakouts. So I was a bit skeptical about trying this oil, but I'm really glad that I got to use this product. It really helped with my barrier, because I have been using tretinoin and initially I have purged a lot and my skin barrier is disrupted. You can see those purging left me with the scars on either of my cheeks. I will also post a picture of those initial days where I have horrible purging. This, along with Duckray photo screen, has helped me a lot in fading the scars. I'm pretty sure about it. I will also continue using this oil for another month and I'll update you guys. So rosehip oil initially, actually it doesn't have any side effects and is generally safe for every skin type. However, a patch test should always be done before adding any new skincare product to your daily regime. So yes, that's all about the rosehip oil. So another product I got from them is the hibiscus flower powder. Here it is. So hibiscus is hailed as a natural Botox because of its skin tightening and anti-aging benefits. It's a natural source of AHAs and BAHAs, so it helps with mild exfoliation and also helps with hyperpigmentation. Citrus hibiscus powder is made by sun-drying the hibiscus flower petals and by making a powder out of them. I can definitely say this product is an organic one, because previously I have purchased another hibiscus petal powder from another manufacturer in Chennai, and I never get to smell that floral scent of the powder. But even after mixing this floral powder with another clay, I used to get the aroma of the dried petal powder. I always mix it with some whey water and any sort of clay. I'm having Aztec clay with me, but the brand suggests you to use kaolin clay. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name of the clay rightly. They say that by using this powder with that clay, it helps in tan removal. I haven't tried it and I'm definitely gonna try a few other products from the brand. I'm really impressed with this brand. I'm not bragging or sugarcoating anything. I'm seriously impressed by the brand. So 100 grams of this product costs, I'm sorry, uh, I'll just post the prices in the description box. um, this is the 30 ml rosehip oil. It costs like 500 rupees I think, but it lasts you for very long time. You don't need to get a larger bottle than this. This will suffice. So I also have to tell you guys about this brand. They source all their ingredients from local farmers and NGOs, and also from some ethical sources. They offer many purest ingredients. You can use those products and DIY your own bath powders or face masks or face cleansers, anything like that. They provide many hydrosols, essential oils, clays, hair masks, hair butters, body butters, and many things. You have to definitely check out that. I'll post a link to that brand in the description box. Don't forget to check them out. That's it guys. If you like this video, please show some love and also share this video with your friends and family members.